Start. The time of a pandemic is not the time to have a hostile neighborhood. Stop. At this moment, India should ideally lead in creating momentum for deeper regional and sub-regional cooperation in South Asia. Stop. Ironically, the recent developments with Nepal have been the opposite of that. Stop. India and Nepal have reached a new low in bilateral relations when both countries are facing a humanitarian crisis. Stop para. On May 8, the Defence Minister of India tweeted, delighted to inaugurate the link road to Manasarovar Yatra today. Stop. The BRO achieved road connectivity from Darchula to Lipu Lake China border known as Kailash Manasarovar Yatra route. Stop. Also flagged off a convoy of vehicles from Pithoragarh to Gunji through video conferencing. Stop quotation close. The announcement and its timing surprised even the keen observers of India-Nepal relations. Stop. No one thought that a road project in this territory would get inaugurated so urgently and through video conferencing. Stop. The announcement immediately put the Nepal government, the people and political players there on high alert. Stop. The oil government's sharp reaction was unexpected. The road was being built for years, so for it to pretend that it was unaware of this development and therefore surprised at its inauguration defies logic. Stop para. In a statement, the Nepalese Ministry of Foreign Affairs expressed regret at India's move. Stop. It said, as per the Sugauli Treaty, 1816, all the territories east of Kali, Mahakali River, including Limpiadhura, Kalapani and Lipu Lake, belong to Nepal. Stop. This was reiterated by the government of Nepal several times in the past and most recently through a diplomatic note addressed to the Government of India dated 20 November 2019 in response to the new political map issued by the latter. Stop quotation close. In cautioned the Indian government against carrying out any activity inside the territory of Nepal. Quotation close. Stop. It stated that Nepal had expressed its disagreement in 2015 through separate diplomatic notes addressed to the governments of both India and China when the two sides agreed to include Lipu Lake Pass as a bilateral trade route without Nepal's consent in the joint statement issued on 15 May 2015 during the official visit of the Prime Minister of India to China. Stop quotation close. Nepal said it believed in resolving the pending boundary issues through diplomatic means. Stop. It said that Kathmandu had proposed twice the dates for holding the Foreign Secretary level meeting between the two countries. Stop para. There was a long-awaited response to this from the Ministry of External Affairs MEA. Stop. Without giving any specific date, the MEA assured Nepal that talks would begin after the lockdown was lifted. Stop. The delay is not understandable. Stop. Why can't discussions take place over video conferencing? Question mark. India's response to Nepal's note said, the recently inaugurated road section in Pithoragarh district in the state of Uttarakhand lies completely within the territory of India. Stop. The road follows the pre-existing route used by the pilgrims of the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. Stop. India and Nepal have established mechanism to deal with all boundary matters. Stop. The boundary delineation exercise with Nepal is ongoing. Stop. India is committed to resolving outstanding boundary issues through diplomatic dialogue and in the spirit of our close and friendly bilateral relations with Nepal. Stop quotation close. Nepal's Foreign Minister Pradeep Kumar Gaiwali asked why talks on this important matter could not take place under lockdown when the within single quote inauguration of the road could take place during the COVID-19 crisis. Stop. We also believe that it should take place without wasting even a day. Stop para. The strain in ties also reflects the tensions in Nepal's politics. Stop. Prime Minister K.P. Sharma Oli stepped out of diplomatic nicety when he indulged in reactionary nationalism and termed the within quote Indian virus as more damaging than the within quote Chinese virus. Stop. He also questioned India's faith in within single quote Satyameva Jayate. Stop para. On India's part, the problem lies in overlooking the past realities of Lipu Lake region. Stop. The army chief's statement that within quote there is reason to believe quotation close that Nepal's recent objection was within quote at the behest of someone else quotation close, hinting at China's possible role was eminently avoidable. Stop. These two drew sharp reactions from Nepal. Stop para. India and Nepal enjoy a unique relationship that goes beyond diplomacy and the governments of the day. Stop. Both countries are interdependent through shared social, cultural, economic, and other civilizational links. Stop. Here, the ties are not between the governments alone. Stop. Over 3 million Nepalis live in India and lakhs of Indians live in Nepal. Stop. The Gurkha Rifles, known for the best in warfare, are incomplete without the Nepalis. Stop. They fight to keep India secure. So, where is the scope for conflict? Question mark. The people of Nepal fought for India's independence. Stop. B.P. Koirala and many more Nepalis made enormous sacrifices during the freedom struggle. Stop. Both countries have open borders and unique ties. Stop. This reminds us that both countries have shared interests while respecting each other's sovereignty. Stop. There is no place for a within single quote big brother attitude. Stop. The regimes in New Delhi and Kathmandu have to exercise caution and restraint. Stop. The boundary controversy on Lipu Lake, Kalapani and Limpiadhura should be seen in retrospection. Stop. It must be admitted that Nepal's kings had neglected this territory for decades. Stop. The area attained prominence only with Nepal's tryst with parliamentary democracy beginning in 1990. Stop. The consistent neglect for the area is evident in the fact that the last official record of any government work that happened there was in 1953. Stop. A census was conducted in this area by the royal regime of Nepal and the land records from there were archived at the Darchula district office. Stop.